Good afternoon, boys. Hey, you know what? Today our friend Balu has brought his magic box very early to class. He is excited today, huh? He was saying, teacher, there is something very special inside. You boys want to find out? Where is Balu? See, he's coming slowly to see what is inside. But can he see? No, you cannot go and see anything unless you say the magic words. Very good. Balu, naughty boy, sit up straight. Okay. Now Balu has to say the magic words and you have to say the magic words. Shall we say the magic words? Balu? Yes? Oh, he's ready. Come on, together, huh? Everybody. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Okay, Balu, you sit here. Teacher will put my hand inside the magic box and let's check. Oh, Balu, see who's this? Huh? Who's this, boys? This is a small ninja boy. Can you see him? Yes. He's ready to do karate. Okay, now let him sit here. Okay, Balu, you look at ninja boy and teacher will again go inside. Okay. Come on, let's see if I can find somebody else inside. Oh, yes. One more ninja boy. He is ready to kick. Karate kicks. Okay, so how many ninja boys? Balu, let's count. One ninja boy. Two ninja boys. Shall we check one more time? If there's something inside. One more ninja boy maybe. Huh? Let's go inside. And no. Balu, can we find a ninja boy inside? I found something. Let me see, okay? If it's a ninja boy. Okay, look. One more ninja boy. Balu, see how many of them? Let's count, boys. Let's count, okay? 1, 2, 3. How many ninja boys do we have, boys? 3 boys. 3 ninja boys. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. Now let's pick the ninja boys and keep them down. Okay, because we have to check if the magic box is giving us something else. Okay, Balu, are we ready? Balu wants to go inside. Balu, come on. Sit here. Come on. Okay. Come on. Now let's say, what do we have to say? Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Okay, Balu. Okay, I'm going to check. I found something. What is this? Wow, look at this. What is this? Whistle. Can you see this? Balu, you want to blow? It's not coming. Teacher shall blow. Wow. How many whistles do we have, boys? This is one whistle. Okay, Balu, you hold on to one whistle. Very good. Okay. Now teacher's going again to check whether I can find one more whistle. Okay. Come on. Now comes one more whistle. Okay. Now this time Balu is going to blow. Okay. Come on, Balu. Will you try? Come on. Blow hardly. Balu is blowing the whistle. Wow. Very good, Balu. So we have now one whistle and 2 whistles. Okay, teacher is going to keep it. Okay, one more time we'll try if we can find one more whistle and then we'll get Balu to blow the whistle. Balu, are you ready? But we have to find the whistle. Come on. Let's search. Balu is excited. You know why? He's saying if he gets the whistle, he's going to blow. Come on. Let's count. Okay, come on. It's coming. Oh, one more whistle. See, one more whistle. Balu, will you blow the whistle? Okay, you hold it in your hand like this. And come on, Balu. Balu's blowing the whistle. Wow, Balu. Very good. Balu's so happy. Now, how many whistles does Balu have? Come on, let's count. One whistle Balu is holding. Okay. 2 whistles and 3 whistles. Can you see, boys? 1, 2, 3. Very good, Balu. You are so smart. You blew a whistle. Isn't that so nice? One more time, shall we go into the magic box? Okay, let's check, okay? Abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Okay, Balu, just sit here, okay? Something is coming out. It's a little heavy, but I can pull it. Oh, wow. This is a box. Yes, Balu, what is inside the box? Do you know? Do you know, boys? Let's see. Balu, can you help teacher to open it? Okay, Balu is helping teacher to open. Okay. Yes. Now, Balu, hold on to the box and teacher will check what comes out. A soap. We all have bath with a soap. Yes, we rub the soap on our body to clean it. Balu, see here. How many soaps do we have? 1 soap. Very good. So we'll keep this 1 soap here. Balu, come on. Let's see if we have. Oh, Balu is so busy. Aha. He's got 1 more soap. Very good, Balu. Now, we've got 3 ninja boys. We got 3 whistles. But we have only 2 soaps. 1 more soap should be there inside this box. Balu, you want to check? Okay, Balu is checking. Aha, we've got 3 soaps. See, 3 soaps. 1 soap, 2 soaps, and Balu, hold on the soap, okay? 3 soaps. See here, 3 soaps. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So we leave these soaps aside. Okay, Balu, now last time, okay? Now the magic box is also tired. Okay, boys, last time? Come on, last time we're going to do abracadabra, gilly gilly, choo. Come here, Balu, come here, sit here, sit here, sit here. Teacher's going inside. And I found, wow, a book. A book for us to write on, a small book. Okay, very good. Now how many books, Balu? How many books? 1 book. Okay, come on, again go inside. There is something, 2 books. Wow, 2 books. 1 book, 2 books. But today we are saying how many numbers? 3, no? So maybe we can search for 1 more. Okay, let me keep this lying down so it doesn't fall down. Let this one also be down. Okay, Balu, are we ready? Let's look inside the box. Balu. Yes! 1 more book we have got. So how many books have we got now? Balu, can you hold on 1 book, please? Thank you. Yes. 1 book. Okay. 2 books. And Balu, this is the 3rd book. 3 books. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Very good, boys. So today we have learnt a new number. Okay, shall we keep the magic box aside? Okay, Balu, can you keep the magic? You want it to be there? Okay. He's saying let it be there. Okay, let the magic box be there. Doesn't matter. We will see the number like this. Balu, can you see? Yes? What number is this? This is number 3. So today we have learnt the number 3. Now how do we write the number 3? Let's see here. See, you do 1 big jump and 2 big jumps. Okay? 1 jump, 2 jump. Easy. Okay, Balu, you want to write number 3? Come on, Balu is going to write number 3. We are going to write 1 jump, 2 jump. Okay? So, this is number 3. Okay. So, today we have got 3. Now, I think, Balu, this magic box now is coming in the way. Okay? So, we'll keep the magic box aside. We'll bring it back later because teacher is not able to show you all the objects. Now, can you see 3? Yes. Now, we have 1 ninja boy. Okay? 2 ninja boys, and 3 ninja boys. Okay, now teacher will hold all of them on top. Okay, Balu, can you hold one of them? Yes. Now see, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 ninja boys. Okay, very good. Then we have, what did we see after the ninja boys? We saw 3 whistles. Yes. Come on. So now let's hang one whistle here. One whistle. Okay, you hold on to this whistle. Very good. One whistle. 2 whistles. And this is the third whistle. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 3 whistles. Yes. Okay. I think this whistle is hiding. Now can you see, boys? 3 whistles. Very good. 1, 2, and 3. Very good, Balu. Then we saw 3 soaps. We saw 3 soaps. Yes. So teacher will keep all of them together. See here. 3 soaps. 1 soap, 2 soaps, and 3 soaps. So all together we had 3 soaps. Yes. And last, what did we see? We saw 3 books. So here, can you see this, boys? Balu, can you see 3 books? 3 books. Okay. So today we have learned the number 3. And how to write 3? 1 big jump, 2 big jump. Yes. And where do we write number 3, boys? Yes. First we will open our book number 2. Yes. We open it to this page. Here. See, now it has, this shows us 3 fingers. Okay. So first you will write this full page number 3, and then you will write the second page. So 2 pages. Yes. Once you finish this, then you will open book number 4. Okay. Now in book number 4, you will open this page. Balu, what will we write first? What will we write first? We will write the date. Here we will write the date. Then you will write this page number 3, and this page you will tell mummy or papa to either stick or to draw any object, any 3 objects. Okay, like maybe 3 lollipops or 3 chocolates, 3 balloons, whatever you like. Anything, 3 objects. Okay, Balu, is it clear? Boys, is that clear? So today we have learnt our number 3. Okay. Now, teacher and Balu will say bye, and we'll come back tomorrow again. Okay, boys? Bye, boys. See you.